how did a community essentially forced out of their homeland become one of the most widespread and most prosperous communities in the world?
How did this community spread far and wide across the world, establishing one of the most widespread entrepreneurial trading networks in the world?
And why did this group of hardworking and entrepreneurial traders choose to carry on their trade and achieve their success in relative obscurity?
But why do most people not talk a lot about Sindhis?
I'm Saz Agarwal.
And I'm Tarun Sakrani.
And this is Tapestry,
in which we will be talking a lot about the Sindhi diaspora, the history, the religion, food and culture of this often misunderstood and misrepresented, or maybe underrepresented community, despite all the adversity that has gone on to achieve a degree of success financially and otherwise around the world.
Tapestry, available now wherever you listen to your podcasts and on our YouTube channel, Sindhi.tapestry.